Hey guys, I have here my Sony WH-CH700N noise cancelling headphones, and in this video I want to explain to you how to replace the battery when its life just isn't as good as it used to be. So the process is pretty simple. The only tools that we need is a small Phillips screwdriver, and we should be able to complete this task in under 10 minutes. Okay, so we're starting out by opening up the right ear cup. So that's where the battery is located at. And the first thing we have to do here is remove the ear pad. And we do that by carefully pulling here on the outside edge where it meets the plastic. See how you can move this lip here out of this little groove that is on the plastic. So that is how easy we can just pull that off. So now underneath here we're going to find four little screws here, those little holes there. That's 4 Phillips screws are in there. So we're going to take our screwdriver and going to remove those. Okay, so the next step is to take apart the ear cup, and you have to be really careful when you do that because there is a wire that connects those two pieces here. You see that from the PCB there is the wire going to the driver here, so you want to make sure you don't accidentally rip that off. So now we already have pretty much access to the battery. You just see here this little piece of tape that secures the black wire here on the battery. So I'm going to remove that, and then here on the top, that's where we see the two wires going to the battery from the PCB. So I'm going to pull this out here. That's wedged in on the very top, so I'm just carefully going to pull this off here. And then luckily the wires to the battery are not soldered onto the PCB. There's actually a little connector here, so we can just pull that out. That makes our job really a lot easier. Now we just have to carefully remove the old battery. So there's a little bit of adhesive tape underneath there, so that's how the battery is glued onto the housing here. And now I'm just using a flat blade screwdriver to come in here from the side to carefully detach the battery from the housing. You want to make sure that you don't accidentally puncture the battery or damage it in any way. And so now eventually you'll be able to get the battery out. Make sure that you don't rip off that other cable that goes across the battery here, so just pull the battery up. And now you see here also in the housing here the adhesive tape. That's actually still pretty sticky, so I'm just going to reuse that for the new battery. In case you have a hard time finding the replacement battery for these headphones, let me show you here the original ones so you can see what values we have here, what we're dealing with. It says here 3.66 volts and 1000 milliamp hours. And then here we have the back side of the battery. Now at this point all we have to do is install the new battery. So it should just go back right in position where the old one was, and now the entire reassembly is pretty much the disassembly in reverse order. So make sure you put the two wires that come from the battery over that screw hole there. And it was really helpful to use some pliers to align the connector here with the board in order to plug it back in. Then of course I'm using again this little sticker here to fasten the wire to the battery, just to prevent it from rattling around. That's probably why the sticker is there in the first place. Then of course adding all 4 screws, tightening them down not too much because we don't want to break the plastic threads, and then adding the ear pad again. So on the back side of the ear pad you have this little lip, and that lip goes right into this little slot here on the ear cup. So carefully fiddle that around. And then we're already done, and our headphones are as good as new. Yeah, so I hope you found this video helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. And if you have any more questions or comments, then please write a message below.